Welcome to our YouTube channel Yoga with Gautam. This is the second part of weight loss with yoga. Let's get started. Breathing in, lift your palms above your head, join your palms and look at your palms. Breathe normally. Tadasana. Breathing out, slowly relax your palms. Now, breathing in, lift your palms above your head, interlock your fingers. Breathing out, turn to right side. Look at your palms. Parivrita Tadasana. Don't separate your foot. Foot should be joined. Look at your palms and breathe normally. Don't bend your elbows. Breathing in, turn front. Breathing out, turn to left side. Don't separate your foot. Look at your palms. Breathe here for 5 times. Breathing in, turn front. Breathing out, relax your palms. Next, Kati Parivartanasana. Breathing in, stretch your right leg towards right side. 2 feet distance up to your shoulder level. Palms on your waist. Breathing out, turn to right side. Look back. Breathe normally. Breathing in, turn front. Breathing out, turn to left side. Relax your shoulders. Breathe here for 5 times. Breathe normally. Breathing in, turn front. Breathing out, relax your palms. Now, interlock your fingers. Breathing in, lift your palms above your head. Breathing out, bend to right side. Bend your hip. Look at your palms. Ardha Chandrasana. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, bend to left side. Breathe here for 5 times. Look at your palms. Don't bend your elbows. Elbows should be straight. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, relax your palms. Next, Padahastasana. Stretch your right leg towards right side. Breathing in, lift your palms above your head. Breathing out, bend forward. Hold your big toe. Bend your head. Close your eyes. Breathe normally. Breathing in, slowly come up. Hands above your head. Breathing out, relax your hands. Next, Utkatasana. Sitting chair pose. Breathing in, stretch your right leg towards right side, up to your shoulder level. Breathing out, sit in squat. Palms above your head, join your palms and look at your palms. Breathe normally. Breathing in, slowly come up. Breathing out, relax your palms. Next, Trikonasana. Breathing in, stretch your right leg towards right side, 1 leg distance. Hands at your shoulder level. Breathing out, turn your right foot, bend laterally right side. Look at your left palm, palm facing front. Both hands in one line. Breathing in, come up, turn your foot. Now breathing out, turn your left foot, bend to left side. Look at your right palm, palm facing front. Breathe here for 5 times. Breathe normally. Breathing in, slowly come up, turn your foot. Breathing out, join your legs, relax your palms. Next, Parshva Konasana. Breathing in, stretch your right leg towards right side, 1.5 leg distance. Hands at your shoulder level. Breathing out, turn your right foot, bend your right knee, place your right palm on the floor. Left palm in front of you. Look at your palm. Don't bend your left knee. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, turn your left foot, bend your left knee, place your left palm on the floor. Right hand in front of you. Look at your right palm. Don't bend your leg. Breathing in, slowly come up. Turn your foot. Breathing out, join your legs, relax your palms. Next, Vrikshasana. Breathing out, fold your leg. Place your leg on your left thigh. Now breathing in, lift both the palms up. Palms in Namaskara. Concentrate on one point and breathe normally. Breathing out, slowly relax your hands and legs. Next, Prasarita Padottanasana. Breathing in, stretch your right leg towards right side, 1.5 leg distance, and add little more distance. Place your hands on the ground. With the support of your hands, place your head on the ground. Close your eyes and breathe normally. Breathe here for 5 times. Breathing in, slowly come up, reduce the gap between your legs and slowly come up. Join your legs. Sit. Next, sitting asanas. Stretch your legs, join your foot. Paschimottanasana. Breathing in, lift both the palms up. Breathing out, bend forward. Hold your big toe. Bend your head. Close your eyes. Breathe normally. Breathing in, slowly come up, palms above the head. Breathing out, relax your palms. Next, Purvottanasana. Breathing in, slide your palms towards back side, 1 feet distance. Breathing out. Now breathing in, lift your body up. Try to touch your foot on the floor. Look back. Breathe normally. Breathing out, slowly come down. Relax your palms. Next, Janu Shirshasana. Breathing out, fold your left leg inside. Now breathing in, lift both the palms up. Breathing out, bend forward. Hold your foot, bend your head. Place your forehead on your right knee. Breathe normally. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, relax your hands, and breathing in, stretch your leg. Breathing out, fold your right leg. Breathing in, lift both the palms up. Breathing out, bend forward. Hold your left foot. Place your forehead on your left knee. Breathe normally. Breathing in, slowly come up, palms above your head. Breathing out, relax your palms, and breathing in, stretch your leg. Next, Yoga Mudra. Sit in Swastikasana. Place your right leg on your left leg. Palms in Chin Mudra. Later, hold your hand backside. Breathing out, bend forward. Close your eyes and breathe normally. Breathing in, slowly come up, relax your hands. Breathing in, stretch your right leg. Breathing out, breathing in, stretch your left leg. Next, Baddha Konasana. Breathing out, fold your legs, join your soles. Hold your foot. Breathing out, bend forward. Bend your head, close your eyes, and breathe normally. Breathing in, come up. Breathing out, stretch your legs. Next, Vajrasana. Breathing out, fold your legs towards back side. Sit on your heels. Place your palms on your thighs. Close your eyes. Breathe normally. Now interlock your fingers. Breathing in, lift both the palms up. Look at your palms. Urdhva Vajrasana. Breathe here for 5 times. Breathing out, slowly relax your palms. Now hold your hand backside. Supta Vajrasana. Breathing out, bend forward, bend your head. Close your eyes. Breathe normally. Breathing in, slowly come up. Relax your palms. Breathing out, stretch your legs. Next, supine position. Lie down. Lie on your back. Pavanamuktasana. Breathing out, fold your legs. Hold your legs with your hands. Now breathing in, lift your head up. Relax your shoulders. Try to pull your legs towards your chest. Breathe normally. Breathing out, slowly relax your head. And breathing in, stretch your legs. Next, Padottanasana. Place your palms up to your shoulder level. Now breathing in, lift both the palms up. Look at your palm, big toes. Palms facing down. Breathe here for 10 times. Breathing out, slowly relax your legs. Relax for a while. Next, Jatara Parivartanasana. Breathing in, lift both the legs up. Breathing out, place your legs on your right side. Hold your big toe with your right palm. Look at left side. Breathe normally. Next, breathing in, lift both the legs up. Breathing out, place your legs on your left side. Hold your big toes with your left palm. Look at right side. Breathe normally. Breathing in, lift both the legs up slowly. Breathing out, relax your legs. Slowly relax your legs. Next, lie on your stomach. Makarasana. Place your palms below your face. 3 feet gap between your legs. Toes facing outside. Relaxative posture, Makarasana. Next, Bhujangasana. Join your foot. Place your palms side to your chest. Breathing in, lift your head and chest up. Look up. Elbows should join to your body. Look up and breathe normally. Breathing out, slowly come down. Place your palms below your face. Relax in Makarasana. Next, Shalabhasana. Place your palms under your thighs. Breathing in, lift your head and chest and legs up. Look up. Breathe for 5 times. Breathing out, slowly come down. Relax in Makarasana. Slightly turn to one side and sit. Namaskar. Thank you.